Sir Isaac Newton, 25 Gregorian calendar month 1642-20 March 1726-27 was associate in nursing, English man of science, physicist, astronomer, theologian, and author, represented in his own day as a natural philosopher. United Nations Agency is wide recognized, joined of the foremost powerful scientists of all time, and as a key figure within the scientific revolution. His book Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, first revealed in 1687, established mechanics. Newton additionally created seminal contributions to optics, and shares credit with Gottfried Wilhelm mathematician for developing the calculus. In Principia, Newton developed the laws of motion and universal gravitation that fashioned the dominant scientific viewpoint till it had been outmoded by the idea of scientific theory. Newton used his mathematical description of gravity to derive Kepler's laws of planetary motion, account for tides, the trajectories of comets, the precession of the equinoxes and different phenomena, eradicating doubt regarding the star system's heliocentricity. He incontestable that the motion of objects on Earth and celestial bodies may be accounted for by identical principles. Newton's abstract thought that the planet is associate in nursing oblate round shape was later confirmed by the geophysics measurements of Maupertuis, La Condamine, and others, convincing most European scientists of the prevalence of mechanics over earlier systems. Newton designed the primary sensible reflector and developed a complicated theory of color, supported the observation that a prism separates white light weight into the colors of the spectrum. His work on light weight was collected in his extremely powerful book Optics, revealed in 1704. He additionally developed associate in nursing empirical law of cooling, created the primary theoretical calculation of the speed of sound, and introduced the notion of a Newtonian fluid. Additionally to his work on calculus, as a man of science, Newton contributed to the study of series, generalized the theorem to non-integer exponents, developed a way for approximating the roots of a perform, and classified most of the boxy plane curves. Newton was a Fellow of Trinity Faculty and also the second Lucasian Professor of Arithmetic at the University of Cambridge. He was a devout, however unorthodox, Christian. United Nations Agency in private rejected the philosophy of the Trinity. UNCO for a member of the Cambridge School of the Day, he refused to require holy orders within the Church of European Nation. On the far side, his work on the mathematical sciences, Newton dedicated a lot of his time to the study of alchemy and biblical chronology, however most of his those areas remained unpublished till long when his death. Politically and in person tied to the Whig Party, Newton served 2 transient terms as Member of Parliament for the University of Cambridge, in 1689–90 and 1701–02. He was knighted by Queen Anne in 1705 and spent the last 3 decades of his life in London, serving as lawman 1696–1699 and master 1699–1727 of the Royal Mint, in addition as President of the Academy 1703–1727.